don't know what is that your face how look like, so does it look like, so that I'm asking you now to um activate your video, yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Tidara, thank you. And then I'm still waiting for the rest to activate your video. It's okay. It's santai, yeah. Okay, you just relax doing this, following this course. You may drink, you may, yeah, something like you need, like to have some meals. It's okay. Boleh ya. Silakan dinyalakan lagi, activate your video ya. Now we'll begin. Kita akan mulai dengan pembelajaran yang selanjutnya. Okay, this is the fifth meeting of kelas BIPA, ya. So, okay, I'm going to share the material here. Wait. Yes. So this is it. Okay. Yeah, before, wait, ini susah ya. Nah, okay. To start with, I'm going to share you the link so that you can guess what is the topic of today's discussion. Yeah, it's just consists of 3 questions. You need to make it. You need to what is that? To choose, you need to choose the picture that has a correlation with the previous picture. Chat, okay. Ngechatnya sebentar. Sudah dilihat di chat box-nya, silahkan diklik ya. You may now open the link to do to fill only 3 questions to guess our material, today's material.
Why don't I get anything in the chat box?
Oh yeah, sorry. Wait. It's direct message, everyone. Now. Yes. Okay. So yeah, have you done yet?
Teacher, I have a question.
Yes, please.
What kind of templates do we need to do it? Like airplane, quiz, open the box, base chance,
Yeah.
or the random wheel? Which
Yeah,
one?
match. You just need to make the relation of pictures there. Okay, match the picture with its what is it? Relevant.
Okay.
Yes. The instruction is on the game, actually.
Instruction is on the game.
Yes. Only 3 questions. Okay. I haven't seen any name here. Who complete the game. Menjodohkan means matching, ya. Menjodohkan means matching. So, do you have any clue for our materials today? What is it? What will be our material?
Occupation.
Yeah, it's occupation. Yes, our today's material is occupations. Yeah, and let me share the screen now. An occupation in bahasa Indonesia is pekerjaan. Ya, pekerjaan. Nah, okay, here it is. Pekerjaan means job or occupation. Ya, so today's material is pekerjaan. Nah, nanti di akhir pembelajaran teman-teman akan bisa kasih informasi yang terdapat di dalam bacaan. Kemudian mengidentifikasi kosakata, ya. Kosakata, you familiar with kosakata ya? Vocabulary ya. And ungkapan and sentence, okay, and utterance, something like that. Mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial struktur, okay. Kemudian menulis deskriptif mengenai sebuah pekerjaan, kemudian mendeskripsikan sebuah pekerjaan, describe the occupation, okay, written and orally. So let's begin with this slide. Nah, mendengarkan. Mendengarkan? So, berarti apa mendengarkan? Mendengarkan means listening. Ya, if I ask apa means what? Okay, apa means what? Okay, mendengarkan bahasa Inggrisnya adalah listening. Okay, dan membaca dalam bahasa Inggrisnya adalah reading. Okay, so here is one of the famous singer in Indonesia. Okay, sekarang teman-teman silahkan mulai mendengarkan. Okay, saya akan memperlihatkan ya. I'll show you this, and then you have to listen to the audio. Jawa Barat, suara Rosa sangat dia. Go ahead once again. it's a leg thing. Oh, it's corrupt. Okay, the file is corrupt ya. I'm going to read for you ya. Rosa, penyanyi Indonesia. Oke, Rosa adalah penyanyi. Dia berasal dari Sumedang, Jawa Barat. Suara Rosa sangat merdu. Dia penyanyi terkenal di Indonesia. Rosa belajar menyanyi sejak kecil. Seminggu 3 kali dia berlatih vokal. Lagu-lagunya sudah banyak. Semua orang Indonesia tahu Rosa. Okay, once again. Rosa penyanyi Indonesia. Rosa penyanyi Indonesia. Rosa adalah penyanyi. Dia berasal dari Sumedang, Jawa Barat. Suara Rosa sangat merdu. Dia penyanyi terkenal di Indonesia. Rosa belajar menyanyi sejak kecil. Seminggu 3 kali dia berlatih vokal. Lagu-lagunya sudah banyak. Semua orang Indonesia tahu Rosa. Okay. Now, I invite Cherchon to read the text. Please, Cherchon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rosa penyanyi Indonesia.
Okay.
Rosa adalah penyanyi.
Penyanyi.
Dia penyanyi.
Yes.
Dia berasal. Dia Sumedang.
Sumedang.
Sumedang. Jawa Barat.
Yes, Jawa Barat. Okay.
Suara Rosa sangat merdu. Dia penyanyi.
Dia,
Dia.
not dia, but dia. Okay.
Dia.
Yeah.
Dia penyanyi terkenal di Indonesia.
Okay.
Rosa belajar menyanyi sejak
kecil.
Sejak kecil.
Okay, ya.
Seminggu 3 kali dia berlatih vokal.
Ya, berlatih vokal.
Lagu-lagunya sudah banyak.
Okay.
Semua orang Indonesia tahu Rosa.
Okay, thank you, Cherchon. Now, Prapanat, please. Prapanat, read the text.
Rosa
Baca.
penyanyi Indonesia.
Ya.
Rosa adalah penyanyi. Dia berasal dari Sumedang, Jawa Barat.
Okay.
Suara Rosa sangat merdu. Sangat
Yes.
merdu. Dia penyanyi terkenal di Indonesia. Rosa belajar menyanyi sejak kecil seminggu 3 kali. Dia berlatih vokal. Lagunya sudah banyak. Semua orang Indonesia tahu Rosa.
Okay, thank you. Now, Suprinya, please.
Rosa penyanyi
No, it should be penyanyi. Penyanyi, okay.
penyanyi,
Nyi.
nyi,
Nah, penyanyi.
penyanyi
Okay, good. Continue, please.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Rosa, penyanyi
Ya.
Indonesia.
Okay, good.
Rosa adalah penyanyi. Dia berasal
Berasal. Mhm.
dari Sumedang,
Sumedang. Mhm.
Jawa Barat,
Mhm.
suara
Suara.
Rosa sangat
Merdu.
merdu.
Okay.
Dia penyanyi terkenal
Ya.
di Indonesia.
Okay, good.
Rosa belajar
Mhm.
menyanyi
Menyanyi. Ya.
sejak
Kecil. Ya.
seminggu
Mhm.
3 kali
Mhm.
dia
Mhm.
berlatih
Berlatih. Mhm.
vokal
Vokal. Okay.
lagu-lagunya sudah banyak.
Iya, banyak. Okay.
Semua
Semua.
Indonesia tahu Rosa.
Okay, thank you. Now it's your turn, Vivian.
Okay. Rosa penyanyi Indonesia. Rosa adalah penyanyi. Dia berasal dari Sumedang, Jawa Barat.
Mhm.
Suara Rosa sangat merdu. Dia penyanyi terkenal di Indonesia. Rosa belajar menyanyi sejak kecil. Seminggu 3 kali dia berlatih vokal.
Mhm.
Lagu-lagunya sudah banyak.
Okay,
Semua orang Indonesia tahu Rosa.
very good. Selanjutnya di sini ada siapa yang belum ya? Talalang belum. Silahkan Talalang. Baca. Baca means read. Okay.
Rosa adalah penyanyi. Dia berasal dari Sumedang, Jawa Barat.
Okay.
Suara Rosa sangat merdu.
Mhm.
Dia penyanyi terkenal di Indonesia.
Mhm.
Rosa belajar menyanyi sejak kecil.
Mhm.
Seminggu 3 kali dia berlatih vokal.
Vokal. Ya.
Lagu-lagunya sudah banyak.
Mhm.
Semua orang Indonesia tahu Rosa.
Oke, terima kasih Talalang. Selanjutnya Aun Tana.
Oke.
Ya.
Rosa penyanyi Indonesia.
Mhm.
Rosa adalah penyanyi. Penyanyi.
Oke.
Dia berasal dari Sumedang.
Dari Sumedang.
Jawa Barat. Suara Rosa sangat merdu.
Mhm.
Dia penyanyi terkenal di Indonesia.
Mhm.
Rosa belajar menyanyi sejak kecil.
Oke.
Seminggu 3 kali.
3 kali.
3 kali.
Mhm.
Dia berarti buku,
Vokal.
vokal.
Mhm.
Dagu raganya sudah banyak. Semua orang Indonesia tahu Rosa.
Oke, terima kasih semua sudah membaca teksnya. Thanks all to read the text ya. Nah, yang barusan adalah membaca. Ini adalah kosakatanya. Kosakata means vocabulary ya. You have to familiar with this word. Penyanyi, and then menyanyi, suara, sangat, merdu, kali, sudah. Sorry. Banyak, not banyak, but it should be banyak. Okay, terkenal. Seminggu. Do you still remember what's the meaning of seminggu?
Week.
A week, okay, a week. Se means one, ya. Okay, good. Berlatih, vokal, lagu, sejak. Okay, semua. And then kecil. Okay, from all this word, ada yang mau ditanyakan? Any questions? For all the kosakata here?
Tidak.
Tidak, okay. So you know the meaning because it's on Thai, ya. Okay, penyanyi, once again, penyanyi is a singer, but menyanyi is a sing, okay, singing. Suara, sangat, okay. Many foreigner or non-Indonesian speaker say sangat by sangat, okay, but it should be sangat, ya. Sangat,
Sangat.
ya, sangat. Merdu, kali, sudah, banyak. Banyak means a lot or many. Yeah, there is no differentiation between. There's no difference. I mean, between banyak and let's say uncountable and countable in Indonesia. Okay, you may say banyak uang, a lot of money, or banyak siswa, many students. So it's the same. Okay, banyak means can be much, can be a lot of, can be many. Ya, banyak. Terkenal, seminggu, berlatih, vokal, lagu, sejak, semua, semua means all. Okay, kecil. So that's the kosakata. Okay. Nah, di sini, okay, kita sekarang ada kosakata. Di sini beberapa pekerjaan. There is several occupations. Okay.
Bu Lutfi, we cannot hear your voice. It's lacking.
Bring my trouble with my gadget. Actually, I changed the gadget so that I can join now. Let's continue to discussion, yeah. It's almost half an hour. Okay, you wait here. Yes. Nah, tadi sudah sampai di materi yang ini ya. Nah, pekerjaan. Oke. Kosakata profesi. Oke, profesi sama dengan pekerjaan, sama dengan job, sama dengan occupation. The first one is pelayan. Oke, pelayan in bahasa in English is waiter. Then the description is pelayan bekerja di restoran. Oke, pelayan bekerja di restoran, kafe atau hotel. Tugasnya melayani pelanggan. Okay, so the waiter work, bekerja means work in a restaurant, cafe, or hotel. Okay, the task is to serve the pelanggan. You know, pelanggan, customer. Yeah, pelanggan is customer. That's pelayan. So pelayan is waiter. Okay, the first one is pelayan. Selanjutnya, yang kedua, nelayan. Okay, the difference is
Bu Lutfi, can you repeat the last one?
the
Yeah.
previous slide. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Pelayan. Okay, pelayan bekerja di restoran. Work in a restaurant, cafe, or hotel. Tugasnya, the task, okay, is to serve, melayani, means serve.
Pelayan, there what is it, gender, like in English there will be waiter and waitress.
Nah, in Indonesia we do not separate those things based on gender. So pelayan could be a man or a woman.
And
Can be used both.
tugasnya is the task that they need
Yeah.
to do.
Yeah. Tugasnya is the task. Okay.
Melayani,
Serve.
serve.
Yeah,
It's
melayani.
a verb, right?
Melayani is the verb. Okay. Bekerja and melayani is the verb. Yeah.
What is bekerja means?
Bekerja and yeah. Bekerja work.
Work.
Yeah. Work at the restaurant. Okay. Pelanggan, customer.
Melayani is serve.
Okay. Serve. Yeah. Serve melayani.
Okay.
Pelanggan.
Okay. And tugasnya. Oh, we can use tugasnya for every word, right?
Use what?
The word
my internet connection
tugasnya.
is not.
Like the policeman has a
Wait.
job to catch the bad guy. Is also can use the word tugasnya to explain.
Wait, it seems, yeah, here at my home the signal is not stable, so I lost some of the words, some of your words.
Okay.
Can you repeat the questions?
Yes. You said the word tugasnya is means job. Do the job.
Yeah. Tugasnya, it's that he has to do something, his job. Okay, that's tugasnya.
So
Am
if,
I answer your questions? The signal is not very good now.
okay.
So sorry.
And if I also use the word tugasnya with other occupation, with other pekerjaan?
Yeah, of course, with other pekerjaan.
Okay.
For example, like yeah, you can use that. Nah, di sini, okay, yang kedua adalah nelayan. Oke, yang tadi yang pertama pelayan, oke, yang kedua nelayan. It's very different. Oke. Nelayan adalah nelayan? In English?
Fisherman.
Yeah, it's a
Fisherman.
fisher. Bekerja menangkap ikan di laut. You can say using tugasnya. Nelayan tugasnya menangkap ikan di laut, pantai, atau di sungai. Something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can use the word tugasnya to another pekerjaan. Okay. Nelayan bekerja menangkap, to catch or fish di laut. Pantai, laut means ocean, pantai means beach, and then sungai means river.
Can you slow down?
Sungai means
I cannot catch every word.
okay. I write on the chat box here.
Okay.
Laut means laut means ocean, and then pantai means beach, and also sungai, river. Okay.
Okay. This
Yeah.
word is written
Laut.
lao.
Ocean. Laut.
Ocean,
Okay.
lao.
Not laut, but laut. Laut.
Laut.
Okay. And then pantai. And then
Pantai.
sungai.
Sungai.
Yes. Okay. And sungai. Okay. Not sungai, but sungai. Yeah.
What is ikan
Okay.
means?
Let's go. Ikan means fish. Okay. Ikan means.
There is no what is it, singular and plural, right? Ikan can be fish, fish,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
fish.
Yeah. It's the same. It's the same in Indonesia in bahasa. Okay. If you want to say 1 kilogram of ikan, just ikan. Okay. But if you want to say banyak ikan, you can say also ikan. Okay. The repetition means plural
Many
in Indonesia,
fish.
in bahasa Indonesia. Like anak means a child. If you want to say children, you may say anak-anak. Like fish, one fish is ikan, and then banyak ikan or a lot of fish, ikan. Okay, so it's the repetition means plural in bahasa.
Okay.
Okay, let's continue. So nelayan is fisher. Yeah. Next one. Here it is. Wait. I don't know. Today's is really bad connection. So yeah, this is the third one. Dokter. Okay. Dokter. Dokter means doctor. It's almost the same in pronunciation, yeah. Dokter bekerja, work di klinik. Okay, atau rumah sakit. You still remember rumah sakit?
Hospital.
Yeah, very good. Hospital. Dokter mengobati, mengobati pasien yang sakit. Like examine patient. Okay. Like try to cure the patient. Mengobati.
Patient is patient.
Yeah.
Yang sakit.
Yang sakit, who is getting sick? Who is sick?
Oh, yeah, sakit from hospital, right?
Yeah. Hospital, rumah sakit, and then sakit means ill, sick. Okay, it's an adjective, yeah, sakit. But sakit can also means hurt. Like for example, my leg is hurt. Okay, my hand is swollen, gets swollen. So I feel that my hand is sakit. Yeah, so sakit can means hurt also. Yeah. Next. Dosen. Apa dosen? Apa dosen? In English? Dosen?
Teacher,
Ah,
professor.
lecturer. Okay, lecturer
Sure.
ya. Ya, lecturer. Dosen mengajar di universitas, university. Okay, teach at the university. Dia, okay, you can refer dia to a boy or a girl or a woman or a man, ya. Dia mengajar maha pelajar. Maha pelajar, it's university student. Okay, so the sense is lecturer. Another pekerjaan is guru. Guru. Guru means teacher. Okay, pengajar mengajar di sekolah. Pengajar mengajar di sekolah. Pengajar it's a teacher, mengajar teach, okay, di sekolah. Dia mengajar pembelajar. So the difference between a secondary level student and also the university student is pembelajar and also maha pembelajar. You add maha at the beginning of the word for university students. So maha pembelajar is like you, university students, and then pembelajar is like junior high, senior high students. Okay. Next one, pedagang or penjual, it's the same. Pedagang or penjual, trader. Ya, trader. Pedagang atau penjual bekerja di pasar. Do you still remember pasar?
Market.
Market, very good. What about toko? Toko.
It's also
It's another place, another who's still remember what toko means. Toko
store.
means, yeah, very good. Store. Toko means store or shop. Yeah, very good. And then dia, okay, menjual sesuatu di pasar atau toko. Okay, so he or she sells something in the market or in the store, like that.
Menjual is sell.
Yeah, sell. Okay, continue please. Policy. Policy. Yeah, policy means police. Okay, polisi bekerja di kantor polisi. Polisi bekerja di kantor polisi. Okay. Kantor polisi means police office. Ya.
Polisi bekerja di
Kantor
kantor polisi.
Kantor, it should be kantor.
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 What is kantor means?
Kantor means office. Office.
Police officer.
Yeah, not yeah, policy means police officer, but kantor polisi means what?
Police station.
Yeah, police office or police office. Kantor polisi means police office. Polisi means police officer. Yeah. Polisi, okay, I have write down on the chat box. Polisi means police officer. Meanwhile, kantor polisi means police office. Yeah. Okay, so dia menangkap penjahat. Okay. Menangkap penjahat. Penjahat. You know, catch. Usually the police officer or the policeman catch the robbery penjahat.
Criminals.
Yeah, criminals could be. Dan melindungi masyarakat, like to guard people. like to guard people. Okay, melindungi, melindungi, guard people. Okay.
What is the word after melindungi? Read.
Masyarakat.
Masyarakat.
Yes, masyarakat means public people. Yeah.
Masyarakat.
Masyarakat. Yeah.
Masyarakat.
Masyarakat means public people or public, yeah. Or public. Okay. So next one, there are a lot of many occupations exist. So you have to familiar with this. Pelukis. Okay. Pelukis is
Artist.
yes, artist. Pelukis is
Melinda Gal.
adalah pekerjaan seni. Okay, pekerjaan seni. Seni it's art. Ya, seni art. Pelukis melukis di atas kertas. Kertas is a paper. Okay, kayu wood, kanvas kanva, etc. and etc. Sebagainya, etc. Okay, and so on. Let's continue to another pekerjaan. Nah, this is it. Petani. We are Asian people very well known with petani because we have what is that? Wide rice field, yeah. So petani relate to our traditional occupation. Petani, so it's a farmer, ya. Petani bekerja di sawah, ladang, atau kebun. Okay, dia menanam tanaman. Petani work at the rice field. Ladang could be field or kebun, garden.
Kebun.
Yeah, kebun garden. Dia menanam
Sawah is rice.
rice field.
Sawah is rice field.
Rice field.
And ladang is also rice field.
No, ladang it's just field. Like you can plant like cabbage. You can plant what is that? Chili and so on and so forth. Ladang and kebun it's also it seems similar, almost similar. But ladang refer to a wider place instead of kebun. Okay, instead of kebun. Yeah, dia menanam, he plant the plants. Okay, menanam tanaman. So menanam is the verb and then tanaman it's a noun. Yeah. Petani, okay, next one. Ini ada juru masak.
Juru masak.
Juru masak atau koki. Koki is a chef, yeah. In English, we have only one word, but in Bahasa Indonesia, we have two words here. Juru and masak, juru masak. Okay. Juru masak means chef, okay. Bekerja di dapur, restoran, okay, restoran, rumah makan atau kafe. Okay. Mereka membuat makanan. They make food. Membuat means make. Okay, but if you have difficulty in saying juru masak, just say koki. Okay, koki in Bahasa Indonesia means chef.
Membuat is
Make.
make or cook.
Make, not membuat. It's make. Kalau cook, jika cook itu memasak. Memasak. In Bahasa Indonesia, we used to say membuat for not only let's say membuat tulisan, make a writing, like make a cake. You can say that make a cake, making a cake. Like cooking is memasak, okay, but membuat is make. Yeah, membuat makanan, memasak makanan, it's okay. If you want to say memasak, you may say cook. Okay, if you want to say cook, you can say memasak, vice versa. Okay, that's kosakata dari pekerjaan. Oke, yang pertama tadi masih ingat ada apa? How many? Ada berapa? Ada berapa means how many? Ada berapa pekerjaan yang sudah dijelaskan? You can at least say at least 5 pekerjaan. Oke, yang pertama, the first one, yang pertama pekerjaan apa?
Penyanyi,
Penyanyi, kemudian
Penyanyi.
pelayan,
pelayan. What's pelayan means?
waiter,
Waiter. Okay, good.
nelayan,
Nelayan means fisher.
fisherman, and doctor,
In bahasa Indonesia, you say dokter.
doctor,
Yes, dokter. Okay, and then one last,
dosen and guru.
dosen and guru. Very good. Thank you all. Now it's time because this is quite I changed the gadget so that the answer is just here. Okay, let's see. Let's discuss. Okay, take a look at this. Jawablah. So answer pertanyaan. Answer the questions di bawah ini dengan jawaban yang disediakan. So you have to answer, but this is already here. The answer, ya. Sekolah, dapur, pasar, laut, sawah, pantai. Okay, that's the following answer.
Places.
Ya, sekolah. Now, nomor 1 ya, saya akan baca langsung dengan jawabannya saja. Pekerjaan Nutawat nelayan. Okay. Nutawat bekerja di laut.
Laut.
Ya, laut means
The sea.
Laut.
the sea or ocean. Ya, the sea or ocean. Ya, sea. Pekerjaan what?
Petani,
Bekerja di pekerjaan
pantai,
di pantai. Ya. Kemudian pekerjaan nomor 3. Pekerjaan ibu
Market.
pekerjaan ibu
Ibu.
menjual,
yes.
Menjual.
ibu bekerja di pasar.
Di pasar. Very good. Selling something ya, selling things. Okay, di pasar, market. Pekerjaan kakak juru masak. Juru masak means koki or a chef. So kakak bekerja di dapur. Dapur means kitchen.
Kitchen.
Oh yeah, means kitchen. Okay, and then the last one, pekerjaan adik guru.
Adik bekerja di sekolah.
Yeah, adik bekerja di sekolah. So, do you know what's the meaning of adik?
Little brother.
Adik is the younger. It could be younger brother or younger sister. Yeah, adik. Okay, that's the activity. This one is another activity. Wait, I'm going to share this at the chat box. So yeah, https bit.ly 3GK FPMV. Okay. Already in the chat box. You may click on the link. You have to match, okay, the pekerjaan from the audio. So listen to the audio first, and then you have to what is it? To matching the audio to the pekerjaan. Pekerjaan is on the word. Okay, and then the audio is the description of its word, of its pekerjaan, of its occupation. It's on Erica Play. Policy, yeah? Okay. The next one?
Dosen.
Dosen, yes, very good. Okay, so yes, very good, thank you. Now back again to our slides. Nah, ada kosakata baru. Oke, kosakata baru. New vocabulary here. Pedagang, trader ya, sayur-sayuran. Oke, bayam. Kangkung. Oke, is there kangkung exist in Thailand?
Yes.
Oke, kangkung. Selada. Oke, wortel. Timun. Pukul. Setiap hari. Menjual, not menjual, but menjual. Okay. Membantu, memasak, bekerja, berjualan, bangun, sudah, pulang, kadang-kadang, sometimes. Okay, sometimes. So, now remember this kosakata. Okay, there is no questions for the kosakata. Okay, now it's time for you to do the activity again. Take a look at the text box again, chat box again. Okay. Ini mendengarkan dan menulis. Okay, mendengarkan dan menulis. If just now you listen and then you click only the occupation, now you have to write, then in this activity. It's dictation.
I have to write down.
It's dictation. Yeah. Write words as many as you can. Just try. Okay, this is the exercise.
Mocha.
Okay, have you done yet? How's the score?
Only 16 scores.
Okay, because it's the sentence is too long, I think, yeah?
Uh-huh.
I need to break down the sentence into some words, like, for example, only one or only 3 words, for example, something like that, maybe, yeah? Okay, so who's the actor of the text?
Ibuku.
Okay, what's the name of Ibuku?
Nam.
Nam, okay. And then what information you can share from the text?
Ibuku.
Ibuku
What is
means
ibuku?
Ibuku means my mother.
Oh,
Yeah, ibuku, ayahku.
My mother job
Mhm.
is the topic, and then my mother name is Nam.
Mhm.
She is 45 years old.
Okay.
She sells vegetables.
Mhm.
Menjual bayam.
Mhm.
Menjual.
Menjual, sell. Just now. We
and-
discussed it. Menjual.
And that will be, but wait, I can't remember.
Yeah.
Bayam is
The word is S. Spinach.
spinach.
Spinach, yeah. Bayam is spinach. Okay.
And
Kangkung.
I don't know the English word of this one.
Mhm. Yes, kangkung is not familiar maybe in Western, yeah. So it's just in Asia, I think. Kangkung.
And selada is the vegetable that we put in salad.
Yeah. So something in green color. That's salada. Okay. And then wortel. What about wortel? I'm asking another.
Carrots. I remember this one. Carrot.
Very good.
Timun is cucumber.
Cucumber. Very good. Very nice. Okay. And now that's enough. Thank you for you, Vivian. I will ask another person here from the following sentence. Okay. I'm asking Kidarat. Setiap hari.
Setiap hari.
And then, so what's the meaning of that sentence? Setiap hari dari pukul 8 pagi sampai pukul 3 sore, ibuku berjualan di pasar tradisional dekat rumah. Or maybe another person here want to share understanding in English.
I don't know what is mean,
Okay.
teacher. I'm sorry.
Setiap hari means every day. Okay. Dari pukul 8 from 8 a.m. up to 3 p.m. Okay, my mother sells at traditional market near the house. Yeah. Okay. And then setiap hari, once again, what is the meaning of setiap hari?
Every day.
Every day. Ia bangun, wake up. Yeah. Wake up in the morning, pagi, in the morning. Dan memasak. Memasak, what's memasak, Talalang? Memasak. Just now Vivian asked about memasak. For food, memasak.
Cooking.
Cooking, very good, cooking. What about making? In Bahasa Indonesia, you may say membuat.
Membuat.
Yeah, membuat. So, but in Bahasa Indonesia or Indonesian culture, you can say membuat makanan. Okay, membuat makanan, memasak makanan, it's similar. It's acceptable. Okay. Lalu pergi ke pasar, ya. Kadang-kadang means sometimes. Okay, sometimes aku membantunya. Aku means I help to sell the vegetables at the market if I have already arrived from school.
Oh.
Yeah. Sekolah means school. So that's the dictation activity for pekerjaan. Yeah, let's get back to the slides. We still have 15 minutes here. Nah, this is the negasi. You know negasi? Negasi like berkebalikan. Okay, berkebalikan. Tidak. The negation. Okay, tidak dan bukan. Okay, you can say tidak or bukan. Yeah, wait. The negation. Okay, lawan kata atau negasi. Ya, the opposite. Okay, negasi, tidak. If in bahasa Inggris or in English, we can say, I'm not a student. In bahasa Indonesia, saya bukan siswa. Okay, saya, in English you can say, saya bukan Rina. I mean, I'm not Rina. I'm not Rina in bahasa Inggris. In English, I'm not Rina. You can say, saya bukan Rina in bahasa Indonesia. So, it's negation. Okay. Bacalah percakapan di bawah ini. There is a dialogue, okay, between a man and a woman. The first woman asked to the man, Pak, Anda sakit? Okay. Pak, it's a sir. Anda, it's you in polite. Yeah. Sakit means sick. Yeah. Anda sakit is question. Anda sakit. And the answer is yes or no?
Ya, saya sakit.
Ya, saya
Yes.
sakit means yes. Okay, very good. Ya, saya sakit. Saya harus ke dokter. I have to go to the doctor. Yeah, to see the doctor. Anda tidak mengajar. Okay, Anda tidak mengajar. So what can you get the information from this statement? Anda tidak mengajar. So what's the job of the man? What's the occupation of the man? Mengajar, something related to teacher.
Teacher.
Teacher, very good. Jadi si laki-laki, si bapak-bapak, okay, sir, is a teacher. Ya, Anda tidak mengajar, so the answer is?
Ya, hari
Ini saya tidak mengajar. Oh yeah, see, the man asked to the woman, so it's the teacher is the woman, ya. Ya, hari ini saya tidak mengajar. I'm
not a teacher.
I am not teaching now.
Today. I am not teaching now.
Teaching. Mengajar means teaching. Pengajar means teacher. Ya. Saya tidak bisa. Okay, I cannot. Saya tidak bisa. Saya harus pergi keluar kota. I have to go outside the town. Okay. So that's negasi, ya. I have another dialogue here. Still the use of negasi. Selamat siang. Anda polisi? Polisi
good afternoon.
Yeah.
Are you a police?
Are you a policeman or a police officer? Okay. Selamat siang. Selamat siang. So he responds with selamat siang also. Good afternoon. And then?
Yes, I am a policeman. Are you a teacher?
Very good. And then?
I am not a teacher. I am a doctor.
Not. Yeah, so she's a doctor, not a teacher. Very good. Now this one. Nah, negasi, okay, dalam bahasa Indonesia ditandai dengan kata tidak. Okay, the word tidak atau bukan. Ya, negasi tidak diikuti kata kerja dan kata sifat. Sedangkan negasi bukan diikuti kata benda. So tidak, okay, tidak should be followed by the verb and adjective. Meanwhile, bukan should be followed by noun. Yeah, by noun. So the formula is just like this, or the pattern is like this. Saya tidak bekerja. So bekerja is a verb. Ya, saya tidak mengajar. Mengajar is also a verb. Kata kerja in bahasa Indonesia. And then tidak followed by adjective. Okay, saya tidak sakit.
Not
Saya
sick.
tidak sakit, not sick. So means healthy. Saya tidak cantik. I'm not beautiful. Cantik, beautiful. Okay. Meanwhile, the use of bukan. Okay. Meanwhile, the use of bukan should be followed by noun.
Now.
Yeah.
Nomina.
Nomina. Nomina in bahasa Indonesia. Nomina is bahasa Indonesia. Adjectiva is adjective. Ya. Verba is also verbal. Verb. It's also verb in bahasa Indonesia. Okay. So far, any questions?
Tidak.
Tidak. Okay. Now I want you to produce a sentence using tidak or bukan. Only one sentence. Okay. In bahasa Indonesia. I will call you one by one. Okay. So let's see. Wait. Because on my screen, the first one is Vivian. Okay, it's you with the first one. It's always you. Always you. Yes, one sentence only, Vivian.
Saya bukan penyanyi.
Saya bukan penyanyi. Very good. The meaning is?
I am not a singer.
Very good. Okay, you have to share with its meaning, yeah, everyone, please. Now, talalang. You can use tidak or bukan. Yes, please, talalang. Okay, what's wrong? Come on, just try. It's
ต่อไปก็ได้แบบไม่ได้เป็น occupation อะไรที่ไอเนี่ยแบบ
it's usually when both of you are online together. It's interesting that talalang responds quickly. Yeah? Okay, but now because you separate the place. Okay. Okay. Yes, please,
Saya
talalang.
bukan jagaan main sepak bola.
Oh, saya bukan pemain sepak bola. Ya, very good. Saya bukan pemain sepak bola. Okay? Very good ya, Talalang. Thank you. Terima kasih, Talalang. Tidarat selanjutnya.
Darat nih. Saya tidak imun kopi.
Saya tidak.
Alana, imun kopi.
Oh, saya tidak minum kopi. Okay. Ya, minum means drink ya.
Okay.
Ya,
Yes.
saya tidak minum kopi. Minum is a verb, so it can be followed by verb. Okay. Saya tidak minum kopi. Terima kasih. Tanya Karon, silahkan. Halo.
Hello, excuse me, can you hear me?
Ya. Silahkan.
So my keyword is tidak.
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Ibuku tidak menjual makanan.
Oh yeah, very good. Means what in English?
It means my mom doesn't sell food.
Yeah, okay. Very good. Bagus sekali ya. Terima kasih.
Terima
Cercon.
kasih, sama-sama.
Cercon.
Saya bukan polisi.
Okay, means?
I'm not police.
Ya, okay. Bagus ya. Terima kasih. Suprinya?
Saya tidak memasak.
Saya tidak memasak. Okay. Saya tidak memasak. I think it's just you need to add something. What do you cook? What do you cook? What the thing that you don't cook? Okay, you need to add the information like that. Like saya tidak memasak bakso. Saya tidak memasak mie or noodle, for example. Yeah. Okay, but it's okay. That's correct. Okay, the use of tidak. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Terima kasih. Selanjutnya peran panas.
Yes. Saya tidak suka timun.
Saya tidak suka timun. Oke. Bagus ya. Dan terakhir, siapa ini yang terakhir yang belum? Siapa yang belum? Tidarat belum ya? Tidarat sudah ya? Tadi, oke, sudah. Oke, ya, very good. Terima kasih semua. Kita lanjut dengan ini. Nah, oke. Nomor 1. Number 1. Saya
bukan.
Bukan. Oke, very good. Nomor 2. Ayah?
Tidak.
Tidak. Okay, because bekerja is the verb, ya. Tidak should be followed by verb. And then nomor 3.
Bukan.
Ibu saya bukan pedagang. Okay, bagus. Nomor 4. Adik?
Tidak.
Tidak bisa ke sekolah karena pergi keluar kota. Okay. Terakhir, nomor 5.
Kakak bukan.
Kakak bukan pelayan. Oke, dia seorang dokter. Oke. Now, I think up to this point, so far, any questions from today's discussion? Ada pertanyaan?
Tidak.
Tidak ada pertanyaan. Oke. That's our last slide, actually. Okay. You have already learned about pekerjaan, yeah. So once again, can you mention at least 7 or 8 pekerjaan in bahasa Indonesia? The first one is
penyanyi.
Penyanyi, and then
Pelayan. Nelayan.
Oke. Selanjutnya dokter. Ya. Dosen. Kemudian guru. Pedagang or penjual. Ya, or penjual. The last one.
Polisi.
Oke. Ya, that's itu pembelajaran minggu ini. Mohon maaf, tadi ada trouble on my gadget, oke, sehingga makes you wait for several minutes, I think, more than 15 minutes, ya, almost 30 minutes. Okay, so sorry for that, but hopefully this would be beneficial for both of me and you here. Terima kasih atas perhatiannya, atas waktunya. Thank you for the time. Okay. Selamat sore, selamat beristirahat. Have a good day. Selamat sore.
Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Thank you, teacher.
Have good